Section 7. Goal-setting theory. Introduction. Here we discuss the goal-setting theory, through which you know the definition and the importance of goal setting. Objectives. Identify with the general idea underlying goal-setting theory. Comprehend and explain the role of goals in motivation of workers. Identify the characteristics of effective goals. Discuss limitations of goal-setting theory. Introduction. Goal-setting theory is based on the assumption that people behave rationally. Locke and Latham, 1990. The theory presents a model in which goals, intentions, and task performance are consciously related. According to goal-setting theory, conscious ideas are the regulating forces in the behavior of employees. Goals provide the basis of motivation and set the direction of behavior. The goal provides the guideline for taking decisions as to how much effort an individual would exert on assigned task, work. For goals to be effective, two conditions require fulfillment. They must be known to a person in terms of what is to be accomplished. They must be acceptable to the person. Characteristics of effective goals. Specification. Employees exert more effort into tasks that are more specific as opposed to do your best target. In other words, goals could be general or more specific, with each having different implications for directing behavior. Relevance. This implies that goals must be relevant to the individual's job and within his or her control. Challenging. A person may reject a goal because it is perceived as too difficult or too simple. The more challenging a goal is, the more capacity for motivation to attain it. Commitment. Commitment is the characteristic of goal setting that sets limits on the extent to which a task is made challenging or difficult in order to retain employees' commitment to attaining them. It emphasizes optimal level of task difficulty, otherwise employees may no longer be committed to them. Participation. When employees are involved in goal setting, chances are that there will be more commitment to directing effort at their fulfillment. Feedback. Goals require feedback to enable people know they are on target. Limitations of goal-setting theory. When goals are tied to monetary incentives, many employees tend to select easy goals. Goals may be set which have already been negotiated between employees and their supervisor. Employees with high self-efficacy and need for achievement tend to set challenging goals, whether or not they are financially rewarding for their results. Goal setting cannot be applied to every performance dimension of every job. Empirical tests of the theory have been supportive for the most part. This is the end of study section 7. Thanks for listening.